never expected these rock lights to look this good.
Everybody, today we're gonna put rock lights on the truck. Stay tuned to see how I do it.
It's underneath the truck.
All right, everybody, here's my plans on how I plan to do my rock lights. Rock light plan. Wheel wells. The X's are rock lights, so I'm gonna do 2 rock lights per wheel well. This is the sides of the truck. This is some cross members, and that's the front of the truck, some cross members. And I got 3 lights in the grill I need to add to the 28 I ordered. Right here is the hitch mounts. I'm gonna probably put 2 back there, and then that's the axle. I'm probably put some there. And I hope to put some around there, but I don't know, the mounting places are hard. So that's the plan. This is the supplies I got to do it. These are my rock lights. They are beefy, to say. I cut a little place out the bottom of them to give a better spot for the cord to come out so it won't pinch it or anything. I'm gonna use zip ties instead of screws because I really don't want to drill into my frame. And I got this pad here to go against the frame directly. I got my wire, and these are some pretty high wattage lights, so I got some beefy wire. These are to connect to my relays, and I got 4 relays, and that's a whole different thing I'll explain later. But zip ties, lights, wires, the main thing. I'll get into all this junk later. That's on this sheet for my plan. So I'll kind of just show you guys. I'm gonna lie to you guys. I lost the paper before I could get this video out. I'm sorry about that. But on that piece of paper, I have how I'm gonna wire each lighting part. And I divided how many lights I did, which was right at 24, divided by 4. And I put those on each relay. And then I run each relay to my multi-controller box, put it on screen. This also comes with a remote and has a couple different functions. I'm not a super huge fan of them, but I do like that I can turn them on when I get out of the vehicle, and I can hit the wireless fob and it turns them on. It does have a few different options with it, but that's mainly what I use it for. Next is the fuse tap I put in. This is connected to my relays and to the batteries. And if the relays are not getting power, it kills the whole circuit. Those are set on 4 different relays. If one of the relays goes bad, I'll know where to check. If one of the fuses go bad. The fuse taps are meant for if I blow a fuse, I've got a wire grounded somewhere, something connections crossed. If anything goes bad, I know which 4 sections go where, what light is connected to each 4 sections, so it makes troubleshooting a lot easier. Again, my apologies I didn't show this in the video. Back to the video. I'm probably gonna pop this off, and so I can access the rock lights in there and wire them up. So I'll show you guys how we're gonna do that. All right, everybody, got a rock light here, one here, and one right here. You can see the wires that I mostly run. What's up, everybody? This is day 2 right now. And as you can see, I'm filthy. This has been a long process, took a lot longer than I thought, and I'm still not done. I gotta do the wheel wells on the, pretty much 3 wheel wells, and I about got all the ones on the frame laid. I just gotta cut wires, solder them, and different stuff like that. So I'll see if I can get a few clips showing you guys what I'm doing. Alrighty, I'm gonna take my drill bits, and I'm gonna get my template. But I'll show you guys how I'm gonna cut this out. Here's my template. The holes right here. I don't like bending it, putting it directly on this right here, then putting it through that hole. So I just cut a little piece out right there. Bolt hole, bolt hole. Set it on there and drill outward. There you go. Hours and hours of hard work. Let me turn the lights off. Super bright out here. Super bright.
Baby, are you on the way? Home cut 'cause it's getting late. I've been waiting all day.